Hello, today we're making a delicious no-bake strawberry cheesecake. It's quick to prepare and perfect for hot days. As always, you'll find the ingredient list in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start by whipping 200 milliliters of 30% cream until stiff. Then add 1 kilogram of cottage cheese from a tub, spoon by spoon. Mix until combined. Next, we'll add 2 strawberry jellies. I dissolve the jellies in 250 milliliters of water. Once cooled, I pour it into the cheese mixture. Remember, the jelly shouldn't be warm, but not setting either. It must be liquid and cool. Pour it in and mix everything until well combined. Our mixture is now ready. This is how it looks after mixing. Line a 26 by 26 centimeters baking tray with parchment. Then add sponge fingers. I chose long ones. You can soak them if you like. Mix with lemon water or milk. Spread the cheese filling. It's quite thick, so we needn't worry about the biscuits floating to the top. Then I chill the cake. Once it sets, I top it with sliced strawberries. Fresh or frozen berries work. Next, pour 2 clear jellies mixed with 750 milliliters water cooled till nearly set. Pour over strawberries, then chill again. It's that simple. Do try it. Ingredient list below, full recipe on my blog. Links in the description. Thanks and take care.